Today I share with you how I make this coated peanut that is Nkatie Burger. Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, let's get into the video. I will start by branching my peanut into my bowl. I'll go into my peanut, also add some salt and then add my hot water. I will give this stir and let it stay in the hot water for some minutes before removing it and drying it in the sun. If today is the first time of seeing this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Nkatie Cooks and we make simple food recipes on this channel. If you are interested, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of this wonderful family. Moving forward, into another bowl, I will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, some powdered milk, salt, nut milk. I will then mix everything together until they are all combined. Then I'll also set this aside. In another bowl, I will add half cup of sugar, 2 eggs and a tablespoon of vanilla essence. I will mix everything together until the sugar is well dissolved, and I'll also set this aside. And I want to thank my returning subscriber. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I do appreciate your effort and I'm truly grateful. Now I have my dry peanuts over here, my wet ingredients and my dry ingredient. So I will start the coating and I will start by adding the wet ingredient first. Give it a shake until all the peanut is well coated with the wet one. Then add the dry ingredient. So I'm going to repeat this process until every peanut is well coated. Are you still with me up to this time? If you are, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach wider audience. And you can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram for short videos, and also follow me on Facebook. Alright fam, so the peanuts have been well coated and I'm going to use my hand to separate the ones that have stick together and then go ahead to put this in a strainer to take out any excess flour from it. So now I will also preheat my oil. Okay guys, so after straining and taking out the excess flour, this is the coated peanuts now, and our oil too is hot, so I'll go ahead and fry this on a medium heat. At this point, I will keep stirring from time to time so that all the peanuts will brown evenly. And once the coated peanuts are all golden brown, I will take them from the oil and repeat the same process for the rest of the peanut. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, lovely. This is the final outcome of our coated peanut. This came out so perfect and crunchy as well, easy to put together, and I really love the outcome. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.